So hey guys, day one here. A little sneak peek of what we've done today. So stay tuned and follow along on this episode, and we'll show you what we've done. So hey guys, it's Kendall here with P&W Jetboats. Just to let you know, we're going to start vlogging this mini build that we're going to start doing over the winter here. So I'm just on my way to pick it up, bring it home, and then we'll probably over the weekend start fabbing this up and show you guys how we're going to do it. We're just heading out to the shop right now to pick it up.
So we get aboard and grab the crew like rollerboard. Skating.
Okay, so we're all loaded up in the cow trailer here, all strapped down. Tomorrow, the next day, we'll unbox this bad boy and show you guys. What we're doing here now is putting the stringers in as we fold the bow up, tack that together on the sides. You've seen a little bit of the time-lapse build there as we finished up day one of the 12-foot mini here. So I'll show you guys a little bit of what we did today. We pulled up the bow, tacked it up, and as we did that, we make sure we had a bracing here that we made and had the proper measurement across. So we tacked it up. Couple come-alongs, put on the chines, tack those, and then we put in the 4 stringers to the proper measurements from instructions there from Chris. And then we just cut the corners a little bit for the water flow and stuff to get down to the bottom for the both pumps. And then we, well, the transom was on first for the stringers. So yeah, that went pretty smooth today. Pretty happy. Me and my buddy Shep did day one.
Scratching that pad till you find a song. Your hands are done from digging in, 'cause nothing gets wrong.
So hopefully you guys like day one of the build. We're pretty excited. And day two will be tomorrow or the next day. We're gonna put the sides on, the intake. And then I think we got to tack up the doghouse a little bit to square off the sides and make sure we have proper measurements there. And then we'll go from there. So if you guys liked today's episode, thumbs up, smash it, and subscribe to the channel and follow along, because this is going to be a fun build, and check it out. Cheers.
And what doesn't kill us now, no doubt, only makes us strong.